Welcome children to NCERT Class 6 Science Chapter 1 Food, Where Does It Come From? Part 2. Children, in Part 1 we studied about ingredients. Ingredients are material that are required to prepare a food, and then we understood sources of food material. Plant source that comes from plants, and animal source like milk, meat, egg that comes from animals. We also understood the edible parts of the plant, fruits like example of brinjal, leaves, leafy green leafy vegetables, stem, potato, carrot. What do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo, or a goat? You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard, or a small insect may be eating as their food? Children, observe the picture of squirrel. A squirrel eats nuts. Have you ever observed lizard at home? The lizard eats small insects. And pigeon you must have seen eating seeds. Activity 6. Several animals are listed in table 1.5 here. For some of them, the type of food they eat is also given. Fill in the blanks in the table. Children, observe this table. Animals and their food. Name of the animal and the food that animal eats. Example is buffalo. Buffalo eats grass, oil cake, hay, grain. Cat eats small animals, birds, and it drinks milk. Rat eats other animals, okay? Lion, it eats other animals. Does it eat grass? Lion doesn't eat grass. Tiger also doesn't eat grass. It eats other animal. Spider also eats other animal. In the web, small insects are caught in the web and the spider eats that. Human beings, they eat both plants and animals. Butterflies, they suck nectar of a flower or fruit. They suck juices from the fruits. Crows, they eat both plants and animals. So children, you have to fill this table. Activity 7. Have a look at table 1.5 again and group the animals entered here as follows. Place the animals which eat only plants or plant product in group 1. Children, what you have to do? We have written about what kind of food an animal eats. You have to fill this column. Like if they are only eating plants, they are called herbivores. There are some animals which eat other animals. Place them in a group 2. Okay. This is group 2 of carnivores. These animals are called carnivores. Do you find some animals eating both plants and animals? Place them in group 3. That is omnivores. These are called omnivores. Prepare a table 1.6 and enter this separately in 3 columns as shown here. The first column is of herbivores. Herbivores are those animals that eat only plants. Carnivores is the second column. Carnivores are the animals that eat only other animals. Omnivores are eating both plants and other animals. So you will fill up this table. Now examples you will take from here. Cow is an example of herbivore. First one is buffalo. So buffalo is a herbivore. So you will write here in this column. Cat is an omnivore because it eats both plants and animals. Now rat is also an omnivore. So it will come here. Lion is a carnivore. It eats only other animal. It doesn't eat a plant product. Tiger is again a carnivore. So it will come here. Spiders are carnivores. House lizards are carnivore. Cow is a herbivorous. Human beings are omnivorous. Butterflies, they suck only nectar, juices, so it will be in herbivores. Crows are omnivores. Hope you have understood this. Herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Paheli wants to know where you would place human beings while filling the table. Now human beings, they eat both plants and animals. So they are omnivores. So you have to put human beings in omnivores. We know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. That will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. Because of the population, human population is so much, we need to find other ways of producing more and more food in the country. Children, we understood keywords: ingredients, edible, nectar, sprouted seeds, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Children, let's do the exercise. Do you find that all living beings need the same kind of food? No. The food requirement of all living organisms is different. It is based on these three categories: herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. The animals, these herbivores are animals that eat only plants and plant products. Examples were cows, buffalo. Animals that eat other animals are called carnivores. That examples are lion, lizard, tiger. And animals which eat both plants and other animals are examples are human beings, dogs, cats, crow. Question number 2. Name 5 plants and their parts that we eat. Children, you have to write plants, 5 plants, and which part of that plant we eat. Example like carrot, it is a root part. Peas, it is a seed. Apple is fruit. Cauliflower, flower part. Cabbage is a leaf part. Okay? And stem you can give as example as potatoes. Question 3. Match the item given in column A with column B. Okay, column A, milk, curd, paneer, ghee. Milk, curd, paneer, ghee are all animal product. Spinach, cauliflower, carrot are vegetables. Lion and tigers eat other animals. Herbivores eat plants and plant products. Fill in the blanks with the words given. Children, you have to fill, here are the words: herbivore, plant, milk, sugar, carnivore. Tiger is a carnivore because it eats only meat. Deer eats only plant products and so it is called as herbivore. Parrot eats only dash product. The parrot eats only plant product. The dash that we drink, which comes from cows and buffalo, goat, is an animal product. So what it is? Milk. The milk that we drink, which comes from cows, buffaloes and goat, is an animal product. We get sugar from sugar cane. Hope children you have understood the lesson and enjoyed reading with me. Children, reading is very important. So read the lesson again and again so that you will understand better. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.